Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. I'm going to be talking today about the professional reference requirement for the CFA Institute membership. Okay, now if you want to become a member of CFA Institute and earn that designation of CFA and use it appropriately in front of your name, in your CV, everywhere, then definitely you have to follow the requirements of the CFA Institute. And one of the requirement is to have a professional reference. And what is that? So in a very simple language, other professional members or other professional people are vouching for you so that you can become a member of that institute. Now you need professional references of two people if both of them are a CFA Institute member, or else if you do not have any professional references from the CFA Institute or any other CFA completed candidates, then you can go for 3 professional references. If they are not a part of the CFA Institute, then also it is okay. So in a very simple language, it is either two professional references who are CFA Institute members, or 3 primarily if they are not a member. This is a very important requirement if you want to become the member of the CFA Institute. Okay, so as a student, you should be aware about this. Okay.